Here we are again, Dad and Ally Cooks. Good day and God bless po. Today tayo po ay magluluto ng isang mouth-watering dish na talaga namang pagkaaguluhan, paghinain sa hapagkainan. Ito ang sweet spicy shrimp. We will be cooking a different style of dish out of shrimp that will make your palate crave for more. Remember to like this video, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Let's get it on. Here are the ingredients. Meron tayong kalahating kilong hipon, Del Monte Original Tomato Sauce, siling haba, siling labuyo, bawang, sibuyas, paminta, asukal, at asin. All approved by Boss Ali. Sa ating pinainit na pan, maglalagay tayo ng 40 grams of butter and we will let it melt. And then, maglalagay din tayo ng 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Ngayon, sisimulan natin ang paggisa. Uunahin natin ang ating bawang. We will saute garlic for about 30 seconds. And then, susunod natin ang ating sibuyas. We need to saute garlic and onions for about 30 seconds. And to spice up our dish, isusunod natin ang ating siling labuyo. Igisa lang natin together with onions and garlic para mas lalong sumarap at medyo umanghang ang ating lutuin. And then, isusunod na natin ang ating Del Monte Original Tomato Sauce. We will put 200 grams of Del Monte Tomato Sauce. We will mix and blend all the ingredients together with the tomato sauce. And after natin mahalo, maglalagay tayo ng 1 cup of water. Okay, mix again. And after a few seconds, maglalagay na tayo ng ating pepper and salt to taste. We will put about half teaspoon of pepper and half teaspoon of salt. We're using ground pepper and iodized salt. And after that, we will put about 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar will give balance to the taste of our dish and kaya siya magiging tamis-anghang. So after natin ma-mix and blend lahat ng ingredients, we will cover it and we will simmer it in 2 to 3 minutes to blend all the ingredients. After 5 minutes, here it is. And right now, ilalagay na po natin ang ating shrimp. We will put all half kilograms of shrimp sa ating sauce. We will put it one by one para hindi masyadong maging congested yung ating pan. After natin mailagay lahat ng ating shrimp, medyo imimix lang natin siya ng konti, the slow process way. Yung parang sinasabaw lang natin yung sauce doon sa ating shrimp. Because shrimp is very easy to cook. And then, we will cover it and we will simmer it again for 2 to 3 minutes, and this time in slow heat. Okay, we're doing slow cook to perfection. Ganyan lang po, dahan-dahanin lang po natin ang pagluto ng ating hipon. Babaliktarin lang natin siya ng dahan-dahan dahil nga sa madali siyang maluto. And it already has a very enticing color na nagsisignify na malapit na siyang maluto. We will do the same process ng ating paghalo. We will just pour the sauce directly to the shrimp. Okay, and then we will cover it again, and this time we will simmer it for only 3 minutes in slow heat. So makikita natin na talagang napakaganda na ng ating lutuin. Have to wait 2 minutes. Ayan. So after 2 minutes, heto na siya. We're almost done. And right now, we will put the last ingredients na talagang magpapasarap ng ating sweet spicy shrimp. We will put our sliced siling haba. And then, mix again. So right now, titikman natin siya. Sobrang sarap na talaga. So we will have to cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes. And after that, our sweet spicy shrimp will be ready. So for the very last time, we will cover it again. And we will simmer it for about a minute. And then we will turn off the heat. And we're done. And we will transfer it right now to our serving plate. Wow! Very enticing shrimp, cooked in tomato sauce, blended with fine ingredients, with natural herbs and spices, made sweet and spicy. A dish cooked from the heart, filled with love. So here it is, our hot and sumptuous, super sarap, sweet spicy shrimp.
Please like this video. If you have comments or reactions or suggestions, kindly comment down below. If you want more yummy and exciting videos, kindly click the subscribe button and hit the bell button for you to be updated on our upcoming videos.
Salamat po sa inyong panonood at maraming salamat sa lahat ng aming subscribers. Abangan niyo pa po ang marami pang lutuin na gagawin ng Dad and Ally Cooks. Till then, have a great day!